beautiful. The first T-track module, double section. It's not really T-track, it's a highly modified D-track. I mean, it wouldn't link up with anybody else's T-track, but eventually the end sections will. But it's going to be like 8 to 10 feet of its own track curvature linking up, and then it would link up with one of the, it might be outside line of a standard T-track module, I guess is what I'm shooting for. The very end of the grade, down that way. Not that curvature, it'll be different. That's just to have a feeder into it that run trains through it. So I can work on these 4 modules here. This is the first tunnel past the big curve at the top of Cuesta Pass. Pretty long tunnel, but I'm making it shorter because I don't want the train hidden that much. Daylight, another tunnel, it'll come out just after daylight, another tunnel, done. That'll be the end of these sectional modules right there. At the end of this tunnel will be like here. Cut off, make a little bridge. It's working for now. It's really other side of that tunnel's not in yet. Build up these mountains. This module will be happening this week, as well this module, which is a little easier. This framework, got front slopes in. There's gonna be a little wood slat retainer for the train's grade, I guess they call it. Roadbed, whatever you want to call it. There's on the real one right about there. There's a little wood panels retained by steel posts, it's like the steel kind of fence posts that you wrap wire around. Or maybe it's wood, a couple of wood posts set in and then wood slats behind them to hold that section of dirt up because the slope's eroded. A little cut behind it area that'll be on a flat area here. This will come in and tight to the track. A little area out here where there's like the creek was that just created this little fill in. I know it'll all make sense when it's built. It will hopefully look very much like the sections of Cuesta grade. I'm kind of happy with this. This is actually, I think, pretty representative of this little area. Cut for the train might not be that vertical. I think it tilts back a little. That cut is where it's going by right now. But given the space constraints on these narrow shelves, I wanted to have a lot of curvature in. I wanted to have return tracks. I don't know. I might redo it. I might pull the track out a little bit, loosen up the curvature a little bit, and give it a little more angle. Someday, maybe. But I'm going to continue on with the modules and get something nice to look at and then refine it afterwards. Anyway, that is the first D-track, or well, the first train layout landscape I've ever made. It was fun. This is fun. Plaster cloth is so much fun over a good form to play it on. It's like instant landscape and it feels very just satisfying if you like making stuff. This was really fun to make. I can hardly wait for the next ones. Alright. Happy modeling, everybody. Have a great week.